Hello, my name is Ashutosh, and today we are going to discuss about solution of linear equation of two variables. In this video, we will understand what exactly is the meaning of solution, and along with that, we also know what are the different methods in which we can understand whether any value is a solution of the linear equation or not. So let's start with understanding what is the solution of linear equation. So numerically, the solution of the set of values of x, y which satisfy a linear equation of two variable will be like if the value x and y is there, which is satisfying the equation, it will be a solution, right? For example, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. The solution point for this will be 3, 2, 4, 0, 6, 0, and there will be so many other solutions. How? Because if you plug in the values of x and y over here, you'll be able to figure out that these numbers are satisfying the given equation. So a set of values of x and y which satisfy the linear equation of two variable will be the solution for this linear equation. This is how we are understanding numerically, like if you plug in the value, it will be satisfying, right? Now, let's understand what will happen if we try to understand the solution graphically. So if you have any linear equation of two variable, you will be getting a straight line in the xy plane. Now, any point xy which lie on the graph of linear equation will be the solution of the linear equation. For example, for this, we have a graph given, and on the graph, there are different points given. So you can see all these points which are available on this line will be giving you the value of xy, which are the solution for the linear equation. Now, since there will be infinite points of on this line, there will be infinite solutions for the linear equation of two variable if there's only one equation given. And that is why whenever you solve any linear equation of two variable, you always get the system of equation, means at least two equations, so that if you draw the two lines, okay, you will be getting the point which is intersecting the two lines. So this is only one point which will be satisfying both of the lines and which will be available on both the lines, and that is why this point of intersection will be the solution point for the given graph, right, or the system of equation. So in any equation, you have to find out the solution. Just check out if you have a graph given, whether that point is there on the line. If you have an equation given, just plug in and check whether it is satisfying the equation or not. Thank you.